Hello, cześć, dzień dobry, dobry wieczór. In Poland, Sundays are for Rosu. That's one thing I noticed here. Oh yes. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare this simple but epic Polish soup. So here we go. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Dziękuję. Proszę. I have my 1 kg of drumstick and my vegetables, but you can use whichever meat you want. Vegetables are leek, parsley, carrots, 1, 2, 3. Complete. Onion, and my celery, and my wonderful salt from Cordova, a cube of seasoning, and my black pepper, and that's it. So here is my pot, 5 liters capacity. I already have the meat boiling, with the water at 2/3 of it. As you can see, the foams are there already, and that's what we don't need. So I'm getting rid of the foams because rosu needs to be as clear as possible. At least that's what Babcia told me. Now let this meat boil for around 20 to 30 minutes. But in the meantime, I'll be preparing my vegetables and cutting them according to the sizes that I want. Some people might like them smaller, some people might like them bigger. You get the point. Action here. I'm removing the chicken in order to make space for the vegetables, but this is not mandatory. You can leave it inside if you want. After adding the vegetables, guys, this is very, very important. Don't forget to reduce the heat. Then allow the vegetables to boil for around 30 minutes. And after that, you can add your seasonings. I'm doing this now because adding salt would kill the taste if I'd added it earlier. Then after that, allow rosu to boil for another 30 minutes while still maintaining the same low heat. And do not cover the pot. And that's it. Patch. Rosu screw value. Macho hotel. Smacznego.